Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely Volvo V40. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car it's leather interior with heated front seats. You get sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, there's air conditioning, you get cruise control and speed limiter. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.